Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming from my car because I have just had my practical driving test and I passed. I've had it first time with 4 minors. I'm super excited and I'm going to take my first drive on my own and I'm bringing you guys with me. I'm really sorry about like the positioning. It just will have to do just for now. I'm just filming on my phone. I can't do anything about it. Unfortunately, it'll have to do, but you can see me and all that jazz, so it's all good. So let me just sort this out because this mat is doing my head in so bad. I think we need to get rid of these mats, to be honest. Very dangerous. Right, okay. So I'm just going to drive, guys. I'm just going to go. I haven't even turned the car on yet. I'm so scared. It might be a bit shaky as well, by the way. Right, I need to reverse out. Oh guys, I'm so scared. Let me wind this up a little bit because it's really, I'm scared. Okay, I can do this, I've passed my test. I'm waving to Greg, he just thinks it's hilarious. This car is really like, it's really stiff on the steering. There's a lot of cats about, so oh my god, where have they gone? God, I'm scared I'm going to get one of them. Right, okay. You see what I mean? Like, I can't steer enough, quick enough, because it's just a bit harsh. But we're good, we're out. Hang on, I need to put some lip gloss on because my lips are dry as hell. There's some in here though, I've got some, I'm all prepared. So, basically, I'm going to my mum's house to tell her that I've passed, basically. So she's going to be wondering how I've got there and why I'm on my own, etc. This is my first time on my own. Do you know what? I actually feel so much better just knowing that you guys are with me. I don't even know how much memory I've got on this either. Oh, I'm really sorry about times if you can't, like, I know you can't see right now because the sun is so bright. I'm so sorry about this, guys. I might just try and not talk anytime it's like that and just cut it out. Okay, indicate. I've got to go to a junction. I've got to go to like a traffic light junction. I'm a bit scared. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god, I'm driving on my own. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, chill out. It's fine. It's fine. I think I'm gonna be safe. There's a van behind me. It's fine. Nobody knows I'm a learner. I'm not a learner anymore. Okay, it's fine. We're good. Indicate because we're going that way. Oh my god. Right, so now I've got to get out of this junction. I'm really scared about this junction. It's really busy. Oh, I just swore. Sorry, guys. It's really busy as well. So doing this, I'm going to be driving to work at the weekend. But it'll be dead, so I'll be fine. But right now, it's not dead. I'm not fine, and I'm really scared. Oh my god, I've done it, it's good, we're alright, we're sorted. There were some lights that did go red, so I was able to get out. Oh, Jesus Christ, that was scary. Do you know what? We've got it, guys. I passed my flipping test. Oh, there's a pigeon, I'm going to hit the pigeon. Get out of the way! Jesus Christ, literally my first time driving on my own and there's a pigeon just sat in the middle of the road. Okay. Jesus, if my mum's not in now, I won't be happy. I feel like I'm going to be sick, but it's just nerves, but it's fine. You guys know that I was in a car crash, so it is scary for me. But we've got this now. So scared. So yeah, I'm going to surprise my mum and my brother. They know I've had some issues and I'm going to make a video about it. But they knew my test was this week, but they didn't know it was today, so right now the only people who know, there's just a few people that know, and it's people that I've seen. sick. I think I'm gonna be sick. But do you know what it is? I know I can drive, so it's fine. I can drive. Stop panicking. Please don't pull out on me. Oh, I'm sorry that you can't see me, guys. It's probably for the best. I wonder if I look as scared as I feel right now. This is the thing, I wanted to get P's on so people would know that I've just passed, whereas right now nobody knows who I am. I've got to overtake a bike, great. It's fine. Gotta give him enough space. Okay, flip. I'm gonna have to stay behind him now because there's no way I can overtake him. It's fine. I'm not overtaking him right now. There's no way. Okay, I did it. I overtook him. It's fine. Right, so now I'm at the traffic lights. I've got to stay in the left because I'm going straight on. Oh God. Red, guys. I'm sorry if I swear, I will try and delete it. Can people get past me? Yeah. Oh my God. Right, go straight forward, go straight forward. Second, go straight forward. You got this, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Right, okay, now there's a right turn somewhere here and I don't know where it is. Crap. Okay, it's not this one, it's this one. Oh, there's somebody else turning as well. Oh God, there's a bus. The bus. Oh my God. Okay, good. Okay. Oh wow. I'm doing this as much for myself to watch back to see how well I do on my very first drive. Also, if people can see me, I'm sat in the car on my own talking to myself. You know. Like you do. Oh, it's just difficult in this car because it's semi-automatic and I do have to change up gear on my own. It's not an issue, it's just I'm not trained in gears, so guys, we're nearly there. We got this. I can't believe I'm doing this. I actually can't believe I'm doing this, right? Oh God, there's a dog. There's kids and dogs everywhere, running free. People lock the kids up anymore. Right, we are indicating, we are turning on here. Everything's fine so far. No need to panic. It's really bright, I can't see. Oh wow, I can't see it all. There's nobody behind me. Where am I going to bloody park? Shit. I'm going to have to park it right on corner here. Oops, just went over like a ball. Oh, there's glass as well. Will it be alright? It's going to be alright here. It's right on corner. Oh, is that person there getting out of the car? Oh, I think someone might be moving. I'm just going to wait for 1 second because if that person there moves, Will glass pop my tyres? I don't know if they are moving or not. I don't think. Oh wait, yeah, maybe they are. Oh, I think they might be. Yes, I think they are. Are you still? Oh, we're still recording. I thought that had stopped it. Right, I'm just gonna leave my car here, guys. It's just a little bit close to like a corner, but at the same time, if I move it forwards, it's gonna be like right on top of a load of glass. But there is a woman in the car who looks like she's about to move. Do you know what? I'm just gonna go in. I'm probably not gonna be here long, right? I'm gonna go say surprise. Okay, this woman's moved now, so I might come out. Boom. Oh, I'm well chuffed with that. Yes, right, get in, let's go see the mother. Right guys, so I went to surprise my mum. She wasn't even in, but my brother was, and his girlfriend and my mum's fiance, so it was fine. So I told them all, and then I did go and find my mum and I told her, and yeah. So I'm so excited. I'm back home and I'm in bed now. And I'm going to end this video. It was basically just a little bit of a come for my first ever drive on my own with me. I can't believe I've passed my test. I can't believe I've driven on my own. So now I just need to keep doing it and just build my confidence up, because I'm not confident. I just need to keep doing it, and it was really good. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see some more like drive with me chatty videos, let me know down below and I'll definitely try and do that for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah, bye.